Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Guru, and here I am back again with another exciting video. And this video is like suggested, requested by few of the people in my user base, and they requested to give a demo of the ICICI Trading account. And it is primarily, there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but they are either old or do not give comprehensive information on this. So that's why I thought of making a video. And there has been few questions regarding very specific issues in ICICI Direct, and to address those I just thought of making this video. So before I proceed, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to it, because I do not just bring in topics on this trading demos, but also a lot of tips and tricks on the market, as well as a lot of suggestions of what to do in the market, and a timely recommendations on the stock market. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications every time I post such a video. Alright, so this is what the topic for today. So these are the specific questions I'm trying to handle today. How to buy shares in ICICI Direct, how to sell a stock in ICICI Direct, how to sell using eATM feature, which basically gives you the option to get the money within 30 minutes to your bank account, how to use that feature, how to modify an order from the order book which you've already placed but you want to modify, how would you do that. Next is how to cancel an order. You placed an order but you just want to cancel it, how would you do that. And how to modify a cash buy order. You have placed a cash buy order, and how do you modify that. And finally, how to allocate fund to your like ICICI Direct account, or also how you can allocate to different areas like IPOs, mutual funds, all different allocations how you can do. We'll cover that as well. And finally, ICICI Direct brokerage charges, and which is ideally the best brokerage for you, or brokerage plan for you to go for. So we'll cover all this in the video. So, and if you want to go to specific part of this video, and I have given in the description specific time where you can go to specific part of the video, just click on that and go to the that part instead of going to the entire video. So that's entirely up to you how you want to handle. Alright, so once you log into your account, this is the screen you are going to get. And after that, what you can do is you can go to equity, and then click on portfolio. So this is my portfolio. I have invested close to 2,68,000, and my current value of my portfolio 2,82,000. And if you look at the gains I have done in last 6-7 months, I have almost gained 72,000 rupees, and right now the unrealized profit is 13,000. So almost 85,000 profit in last 6 to 7 months. Well, this is the account I have opened just a few months back. So if we go to specifically and just answer your questions, the first thing you want to just buy something, buy a stock, just go here and click on cash buy, give the name of the company, let's say for example Jain Irrigation. So as soon as you press this, you get the stock code and whatever quantity you want to buy, say 1000. Here you will get the market price, which is 36.85, and just select NSE and give whatever price you want to give, let's say 36.8 or something, and just click on buy and just proceed, and you will be able to place the order. So that is how you can easily place an order for buying a stock. And if you also, let's say, want to sell a stock, which could be either in your portfolio or you bought in intraday. So what you can do is, say I bought ITC, I have 150 stocks of ITC. If you want to sell that, I'll just come here in the portfolio, click on sell, and once I click on sell, I can click on cash sell, and the exchange I can choose NSE or BSE. I can place how many stocks I want to sell, let's say 100 stocks, and the limit price I can set is, let's say 231.5. So as soon as the price goes above this, it is going to sell this. So I'll place a sell order, click on proceed, and it will be able to sell the place the sell order. So that is how you can place a sell order. And another thing was, if you want to sell a stock in eATM, so you can, it's almost the same. Go here, instead of cash sell, click on eATM, or in cash sale itself, click on eatm option, uh, click on the exchange, click on the number of shares you want to sell, the price you want to sell, which is 231, uh, and then click on sell. Then you click on proceed and you will be able to place the eatm sale order. So what basically eatm sale order is, you can get the amount within 30 minutes in your bank account and no additional extra cost. So this is a great facility from ICICI Direct. This helps you to get the amount within 30 minutes instead of waiting for T plus 2 days of payout. That really happens usually on any of the stocks. So these are pretty much the basic things. Now let's say you placed an order and you want to change that. Let me show you. I just I'm going to place a sale order on ITC at 230 rupees. Okay, it's going to ask you for the e-pin. Submit that, and again you are going to also get a OTP in your account. Then just click that and submit it. I'm going to give the OTP. And click on submit and click on OK. Your order would be placed now. So this is a facility which has been introduced by SEBI a few months back, where you will get a OTP while placing any sale order. So as soon as you place a sale order, what you can do, you can go to your order book and see what is the order all about. So now you can do two things. If you want to modify the sale order, what you can do is go to modify, change the amount or change the quantity, whatever you want to do. Let's say you want to place order at the price of 232. So only when it goes above 232, I'm going to sell it. So I just changed the price, modified it, and did proceed to modify it, the order. But at the same time, what you can also do is you can also cancel the entire order, right? So if you don't want to modify it, instead you want to cancel the entire order, then go to order book. Instead of modify, just click on cancel. So it will ask, are you sure you want to cancel the order? Just click on cancel and you will be able to cancel the order completely. So these are the basic things, and this helps you to keep a track of what you want to buy, what you want to sell, and anything which is placed, which is or that order has been executed, you can get that in trade book. So for instance, I just want to see what all trading I did in the last 1 week. I go for 1 week, click there. It will show me what all stocks I bought and sell in that range. For instance, I sold ITC at 85 quantity at 232, bought Bank of Baroda 200 quantity at 84, sold 50 shares of GAIL at 156, JN Irrigation I bought 150 at 36, Bharti Airtel I sold 20 stocks at 693, and Vedanta Limited I sold 20 stocks in 306 in the last 1 week. So this is how you can get all the trade books, and you can really go back whatever long you want to go, you can just get all the details there. So this is pretty much some of the basics. Now let's go into the details. Now let's see how you can allocate funds. So to allocate funds, go to allocate funds, and you can really allocate whatever amount you want to give in the equity market. Just click on that, add whatever amount you want to give, just click on submit. Or what you can do is, let's say you want to buy some futures and options, you can allocate there. You want to what the commodity market, allocate there. Or you want to reduce funds from there, click on there, reduce fund from this, and click on submit. So you can actually have all the funds available there. You can also allocate funds for IPO market. So just for IPO market also, click on add, or write whatever amount you want to submit, click on submit, and it will be allocated to IPO funds. So that will help you to buy any IPOs. So that's pretty much at a high level how you can allocate funds. Now let's go into the last thing for this video. I'll also obviously be making videos on the details of how to place mutual fund orders, how to place orders on futures and options, limit buy and sell margin orders, so the cloud orders. All those videos I'll be making subsequently. So as I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it, because you will get a lot of insight into many such areas. So finally, like on the brokerage front, so if you want to understand what the brokerage looks like, then you can go to equity. If you choose brokerage plan, click here, and it will show you all the brokerage plans. My current plan is a prime plan, which I think is best if you are not a huge trader in the market and not just buy for delivery, hold it for let's say 2 3 months and sell it. This gives you option to buy at for delivery at 0.25%. Margin or margin plus trading is 0.025%, and equity futures is 0.025%. Equity options is rupees 35, currency futures rupees 20, currency options rupees 20, and commodity futures rupees 20. So this is the best plan, I thought. But obviously, we can have better brokerage plans as well if you go higher amount. So if you go for 2,999 plan, you can have cash orders buying at 0.15%, and you can have better options there. So depending on what exactly you want, what's the volume of transaction you do, you can choose either of the plans. But definitely I suggest go for the prime plan, because not only gives you the option to have better delivery pricing, but also you get recommendations from ICICI Direct, which are pretty useful. So as you know, I already also gave some distributed ICICI Direct recommendations also. So that really helps it from that perspective. All right, so that's pretty much it. I think I covered all the topics I wanted to in this video, and I will also make another video on going into the details of each of these, and making specific videos on specific parts, because I know there are a lot of questions on ICICI Direct and how to use it. All right, so that being said, if you're new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications every time I post a video. Thanks a lot for watching.